Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter tayo.
Second quarter. Giwan Padayon
Number 25
versus Marabot
Direct in the people Giwan
for the third place.
against number 10. Nakalagsak sa loob. Tuloy-tuloy. Hindi ang papasok. Rebound Dwight.
Samar
255.
Jakabuan.
10 to shoot. Shot clock down to 5. Bumukol. Airball. Ball goes out of bounds. Number 23. Drop pass to number 16. Pasok. 93. Marabot by 4. Number 25. 10 to shoot. Number 2. Eurostep traveling violation. Number 3. Number 2, 15 to shoot. To number 10, may pick. Pasa kay number 16 sa may Lopos. To number 10, right quarter 3-pointers. No sir. Number 3, inbounding from the baseline. Pumukol ng 3, in and out. Rebound 34. Number 2, sasalaksak, drive and draw. But there's a whistle.
Foul.
D1 inbounding.
5 seconds.
Inbound violation. Number 16, isolation play against number 2. A whistle. Okay, number...
Sayang.
55 against number 23. To number 25, sasalaksak. Tuloy-tuloy. Tapa lang nabot. Last touch. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 35. Left corner 3-pointers. No sir. Step back na number 25. Yes. Pasok yan. Good for 2 points. Number 10. Shot clock. 15. Number 10. My pick. My dribble. Harass by number 25. Bumukol ng Chris. Hindi ang papasok. May foul. 2 team fouls. D1. First team foul Marabot. Number 16. Goes baseline. Muscling inside. Number 25 pa rin. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 55. Number 55. Against the traffic. Walang jumper. In and out and in. Transition pass to number 23. Hindi nakuha. Sayang. May kuno din na Isboko Hamarasa. Ada 3 digan. Number 25. Rigyang. To number 55. 10 to shoot. Number 25, my pick, my dribble. To number 55. To pocket pass to number 25. Tumira, pasok. Score. Tablat sa 29. Number 23 against number 25. Number 23. Tumira, kapos. But there's a whistle. Number 6, that was your first personal foul. Si number 3, pasok. Number 55 against number 44. To number 2, back to number 55, Tapat Sikihol. 50 seconds to shoot. Pull up jumper number 2. Short, 19, Ascension recovers the ball. Bringing down the ball for Marabot to number 6. Download sa my right court, left quarter, corner 3-pointers, hindi ang papasok. 55 to number 6. To number 2 of the glass. Mileage changes tayo mga kaibigan. Mileage changes number 16 nasa may elbow. Whistle blows and foul. 10 to shoot. Number 44. Nice play to number 6. Again number 2. Back to number 55, tawag ni Kihol. May dribble. Pinasa sa kalaban. Nakuha yung number 6 to number 34. Winakali. Hindi pumasok. Number 35, hold down the rebound for Giwan. Binigay kay number 3 to number 17. Number 17. Binigay kay number 2. Pull up jumper. Wala yan. May ugawan sa rebound. Helot. Foul number 44. Penalty. Number 6, Masling inside. Tumira, hindi pumasok. Whistle blows. Last touch. Number 7, inbounding to number 55. Tumira ng trace. Hindi ang papasok. May gawan may rebound si number 44. Triple team. Last touch.
Giwan.
Gray. Bakaanas to number 44. Number 44, sasalaksak, tapalang inabot, mid post jumper, wala pa rin.
Foul.
Number 16, pumukol ang tres. Number 16, 3 points. Take the shot. My pick, my dribble. Number 17, pabanda, pasok. Number 44 to number 5, my pick. Dribble sa loob, wala. Rebound number 55. Number 55 to number 2, pull up jumper. Nothing but net. Score 35 against 35. Even at 35. Number 44 tawag ni Kihol to number 3. Number 34 rather. 10 seconds to shoot to number 16. Left quarter, 3-pointers, pasok. Back to back 3-pointers by number 16. Number 17 to number 35. Backward violation to Christopher Pabilio. Pocket pass to number 16, number 5, Bilip. Na i-convert, natawagan patuloy ng traveling. Quarter, 3 minutes, 13 seconds remaining. Going into the third. May agawan ng bola. Matatawagan ng number 44 o ng free throw. Wala. 44, hit it up, let it go, and still nothing there. Put back ni number 6, pasok. Against number 34, to number 2, to number 26. Against number 44, same the shot, number 6. Drives and draw to number 23. Working from the Lotus, Tumira. Missing the mark. Number 16. Sumalaksak of the glass. Score. Number 26 na sa may logo binabantayan ni number 16. Number 26 pa rin. May tangan ng bola. Shot clock 10. To number 3. Sumalaksak. Muntik na mawala ang bola. Right side of the Kihol. 2 minutes. 34, set it up, let it go, and knocks it in. 34, 3 points, 45. 26 na sa may logo, to number 22, against number 34. Wrap around, shot, miss the mark, whistle blow, Villa. Unang free throw, inasinta, binitawan at
Pasok.
Ebinuslo. Nasa foul line. Set it up. Let it go. And miss the mark. Number 34. Hold down the rebound. 1 minute 35 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Number 44 against number 2. Sa may elbow sa number 6. Tapa Bikihol. 3-pointer. 3-point after 3 point, back to back 3-pointers si number 16 para ibigay ang kalamangan ng Marabot sa 10. Number 55, 10 to shot. O number 6, Makawili. Makawili na sa free throw line. First throw. Too strong. Inasinta. Binitawan. Same result. 0 out of 2. Ball goes out of bounds.
G1 ball.
G1. Timeout Marabot.
G1.
Oh, G1. Sorry.
Back to the ball game.
Number... Number 6.
Basket.
Fake it to the rack for 2.
Score.
45 seconds. Ball intercepted by number 6. Throw against throw. There's a card, a shot, a whistle, and foul number 06. 21. Foul.
Basket.
First throw ni 06, pasok. Ginitia. 2 out of 2. 39 seconds. 15 seconds separating shot clock and quarter clock. 30 seconds. Number 26 to number 3. 15 to shot. Drive and draw. Ball goes out of bounds. Mayagaw. Shot clock is off. Number 16 pasok. 10. 5. May foul. Basket count, foul number 06. Nasa free throw line si number 3 to complete a 3-point play. No sir. Naagaw pa ni number 21.
That's the end of second quarter. Score 54-40 in favor of Marabot.
Free throw number 3. Wala. Point 1 second. 1/10 abas second. 1/10. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Diyan nagtatapos ang ating first half. Score 54-40. Lumubo ang kalamangan sa 14 ng Marabot. May nalalabi pa tayong dalawang yugto.